Hey, it's Ron from myherodesign.com. This is a supplementary video to our review for Explaindio Video FX, which is a simple to use yet really powerful software product that allows you to add effects to videos just with a few clicks. So you can see that we already have our review walkthrough video here and some examples. But in this video, I want to talk about using Explaindio Video FX to create videos for websites as well for the background. Most of you know that we have our product video deal pages that allows you to create giveaways or offers or limited time discounts, and it's fully hosted and you can put videos behind those. So for example, we have a video background on this deal page. It's a really nice looking page. Everything is well laid out. The only problem is that this text here is not easily read at all because you'll notice it conflicts with the video. There's a lot of white here in the video as well, and so it's very hard to make out what this text says. Also, you notice the numbers in this countdown timer are kind of, hard to read as well at times because of the background video. So one solution is to just put a box around this and make it semi-transparent, like this. Alright, so here you have a box, and you can still see through it, but there's enough of a separation from the background video and the content now that it's much easier to read the text and to see the numbers. Alright, but what if you don't want this box? What if you want it to be like this, but you want the text to be easier to read? Well, with Explaindio Video FX, you can add an overlay to your video. So take a look at this background video here, and now look at it here. Okay, it's the same video, but we've added a blue overlay. And all of a sudden, you'll notice how easy it is to read this text and to see the countdown timer. And at the same time, you have a cool background video with this nice blue look to it. Alright, and that was done with just a couple clicks inside of Explaindio Video FX. Now you'll notice here, we've got an even more blue tint going on. This is the same overlay but with a different color and a greater opacity, and you can see that right here. Alright, so you have so many different options, and whatever you think is going to work best for your video or for your deal page or for your opt-in page with a background video or for your website with a background video. The secret here is just to add the overlay to the video, and that way you can see again this text is crystal clear, and this timer here is very easy to read. So let me show you quickly. I don't want to go into all the features here because I've already done it in the video that you can see on the sales page or on our review page. But if I undo everything here, this is the raw video, and this is the exact same thing you're seeing here. Okay, this is the base video, and I'm going to go to color overlay, and you can choose whatever color you want. So if we want to make a red one, for example, you can already preview what that video is going to look like, and then you can also change the opacity. So if you want it to be very red and you have a hint of the video in the back, this is what your video is going to look like, which is a really cool look. I'm actually very particular and fond of the blue, so this would be kind of what we're after here when we're doing a video like this. Alright, so once you're done with that, you apply effect and save the video, and you're done. Your video is ready to go, and it's all done in about 1 minute. Alright, and if I wanted to make a video that's more like this one, all I need to do is choose a darker shade of blue. Alright, and then I would change the opacity so that I show enough of the video and enough of the overlay to have a good balance. So something like this is looking like this now, this background. So you'll see that's exactly how you would do that. You can even remove some of the color. If I reset here, back to video, I can even go in and make the video black and white first. Now this is definitely not necessary, but it is a step that you can try and play around with. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm taking the color video and I'm making it black and white. And so you can watch the processing take place in real time here. And now we have a black and white video that you can see. From there, you can go back to the color overlay, and it might be even a little cleaner there with a black and white to start, so that you're really just adding a red color to the whole video and there's no mixing of colors. I don't think it's a necessary step, but it is again something you can play around with. And then you can choose really whatever colors you'd like for that video, and then, how drastic you want it to be. You can do something cool like this. It's more like a sepia almost. Or you can do something intense like this, and then just find the right color that you want for your overlay. Anyway, you can see the possibilities and the versatility of even just this overlay feature, and see the difference between using the original video and then using modified versions of that video using Explaindio Video FX. So again, the review page is up, and we are giving away our unreleased video sales letter slides that work great with video backgrounds, and you can put Explaindio Video FX to use for that. I guess that wraps up this video. Thank you as always for watching, and I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with.